Hi, today we are going to see how you can create approvals policy in Being Human. So first of all, you need to go to your users section to make sure you have multiple users registered with the company and there are multiple roles assigned to them. Here we have 3 users with multiple roles. Once that is done, you need to go to your policy page to create the policy. So here we have 3 options: on the basis of total, on the basis of vendor, and on the basis of job ID or project ID. Let's see total first. So you can select total from drop down, click on add level, and here you can provide a range for this level. Let's say all invoices from $1 to $5,000, they won't be needing any approvers. And then you can create another level and say that all invoices from $5,001 to, let's say, $10,000, they will be needing one approver, and you can select your approvers from the users list. And again, you can add another level and so on to add as many ranges as you want. Similarly, when you select vendor, you will be provided with the list of all vendors, and you can select multiple vendors for each level, and you can assign multiple approvers to each level as well. So you can select 4 in this level and add 2 approvers. First go to this one, second go to this one, and so on. And similarly, if you select job ID, you can add level, you will be presented with a list of all of the job IDs that you have in your ERP. So for here, let's say we can select these 3 and say these 3 won't be needing any approvals. And then you can add another one and say, okay, this job ID will be needing 1 approval. And then this job ID will be needing 2 approvals, one from this person and the second one is from this person. And once you are done, you can click on save. Your policy will be saved and will be applied to all newly uploaded invoices. Now let's see that in action. Let's upload a document to see how that policy will apply. So click on upload files and select an invoice to upload. Go submit. And now AI is working in the background to extract all information from this document, and once that's ready, it will be presented to us for a review. When during the review process, we will see how the policy will come into the action. So this is ready. Then click on it, and the invoice is presented to us. We can have a look at all of the information to make sure that everything is correct. Once that is done, we can assign the job ID. So here we are going to assign Zoological Center to a specific invoice. Click on verify and click on approve. Once we approve it, this invoice will be sent to review for the next person. So if we go to our policy page again, we can see that Zoological Center invoices will be sent for 2 approvals, one for this person and the second for this person. Now we are going to log in as project manager to review it. Now I'm logged in as project manager, and if I go to the documents tab, I can see the same invoice is here for the review. I can click on it. It will be presented to me, and I can have a look at all of the values to make sure everything is fine. Once I verify, it will be sent to the next person for approval. Click on approve, and this invoice has been sent to the CFO for approval. Now I have logged in as CFO, and if I go to the document tab again, I can see the same invoice here. When I click on it, I can see all of the changes that are made by 2 previous approvers, and I can also make any changes if I like to. For example, if I need to change the phase, and once everything is done, I can click on approve. And once CFO approves, because he is the last person in the approval flow, then this document will be available for the further processing. During the review process, instead of approving, Approvers can also put on hold some of the invoices or they can reject, so they will be sent back to the previous person. So here we are going to click on approve, and once it's approved, it's available for the further processing, like downloading the files or downloading the exportable files. So this is how approvals policy works inside Beiing Human.